Hey guys, it's your girl Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. So my hands have been looking super raggedy. I finally had the opportunity just to sit down and do my nails. So this is a watch me do my nails video. So let's jump right into it. The first thing I'm doing right here is I already did all my nail prep. I am just filing down the tips and preparing for the acrylic application. In this next step here, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Young Nail Swipe, and it's a dehydrator. And what that is I'm going to take off any oils that are on my nail beds. So once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and use my Protein Bond, also from Young Nails, and that is my ultimate favorite primer. It works wonders. Once you use this thing, this bad boy, this baby, your nail sets are going nowhere, absolutely nowhere. So I really do recommend it. Okay, so right here I'm just getting my acrylics and monomer ready. I'm also using the Young Nail monomer, as well as this is just the Young Nails Core clear acrylic. I am using a lot of Young Nails in this tutorial, but I definitely really do like their products. So I'm just going to apply a thin layer of clear to my nail beds, and this is just going to protect my nail from the colored acrylics that I'm going to be using. And my main acrylic that I'm going to be using is from Valentino Pure. Oh my god, Princietta, that color is so beautiful. And I just recently purchased a glitter from Kiara Sky, and I will leave all the information down below, but I just couldn't wait to try those two colors out. Well, I've used Princietta before, but I wanted to do a combination of a glass nail with an ombre and some solids. So really cute, simple, easy nail set. Okay, so I'm just continuing doing that, and I'm also showing you guys how I do my non-dominant hand. What I find to be very easy for me is when I'm doing that, if I go and use my dominant hand and take up the powder, dip it in the monomer, take up the powder, and then switch back to my non-dominant. So I'm able to apply it consistently, so the beads are consistent. You can see me doing that right there. So I just switch hands when needed, and I continue going from there. Now, just a little bit of FYI, to let you know, a lot of times I was out of frame. I need to figure out how I'm going to record myself because I was out of frame for a lot of it. So I ended up cutting, the video was going to seem choppy because I ended up cutting up a lot of different parts because half of the time I was out of frame. So you're going to get the general idea. Some things are already going to be done when you see this, but you'll get the general idea. I tried to keep in as much as possible. So go ahead and watch it. I'm not going to do too much talking. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, subscribe if you haven't, sound off down below, and I will definitely see you guys in another one. Thanks so much for watching, and peace out.